At Skyview Exteriors, we're proud to be one of the best local roofing companies in Rhode Island. Stick around as we walk you through a full roof replacement project right here in Providence, Rhode Island. We kick things off by tearing off the old weather-beaten shingles. They were worn, curled, and no longer protecting the home. Once we exposed the decking, we quickly identified several rotted sections that needed to be replaced. This step is crucial. If the wooden base isn't solid, even the best shingles won't last. Our team removed the damaged boards and installed new pressure-treated decking, ensuring a safe and secure foundation for the new roof. Next, we laid down a high-performance synthetic underlayment for added moisture protection. Then came the highlight, installing brand new architectural asphalt shingles, built for durability and beauty. Each shingle is carefully nailed in place by our expert crew, with exact spacing and secure sealing. We also updated all flashing and ventilation to ensure long-term performance. And here it is, the finished product. A sharp, clean, and weather-ready roof made to withstand Rhode Island's toughest seasons. If you're looking for dependable Providence, Rhode Island roofing or want the best roofing companies in Rhode Island, Skyview Exteriors has the tools, team, and trust to get it done right. Reach out today for a free estimate and peace of mind that your roof is in the best hands.